Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and I wanted to show you how to unlock the iPhone XS. And if you're using a carrier such as AT&T in the United States and you pick this up from them, it will not be unlocked unless you got it some other method, maybe through Apple. Now, if you want to travel outside the United States or you just want to use the phone anywhere around the world on any GSM carrier, I want to show you how you can unlock it so you can do that. This one you can see is on AT&T, and if I want to use it on T-Mobile, like I do in the United States, I'll need to unlock it. Now the process is pretty simple. I've partnered with the unlocking company to show you how to do this, and the first thing we need to do is get the IMEI number. Now you can get that a couple different ways. The easiest way is just to go to your dialer, and then you're going to dial *#06#. It will pop up, and then we take the code that's shown here, and then we'll bring it over to the unlockingcompany.com and get this unlocked. We're at the unlockingcompany.com, and the first thing we need to do is select our manufacturer. In this case, it's Apple, and then we need to select our iPhone model. So we'll select iPhone XS. Then we'll click Unlock Now. Now on this page, we need to put in the number that we received when we put in *#06# on the iPhone, the IMEI number. Now, this is the cost to unlock it, and this is variable depending on the carrier and the country you're located in. So keep that in mind, and prices can change from time to time. So we'll go ahead and put in the IMEI number. So now that we have the IMEI number in, your name and email, we'll go ahead and click Order Now. Now on this page, we can just pay using PayPal, and then it will take, on average, it says 1 to 10 days. This can vary. Keep that in mind, again, by carrier and country. So what we'll need to do is wait for a confirmation that it's unlocked, and then we can unlock the phone. So let me show you how that works. Now, once you get confirmation that the phone is unlocked from the unlocking company, it can take sometimes a few days, sometimes a couple of weeks. It just depends on your carrier. And once you get the confirmation that it's unlocked, on an iPhone, it's pretty simple. It's just unlocked and it will work. Or there's another way you can check it. You can plug it into your computer using the lightning cable, open iTunes, and it will tell you it's unlocked. So if we plug it in, we can go to iTunes and you should get this message immediately. Now that we know it's unlocked, let's go ahead and swap the SIM. Now, best practice is to power it down, so we'll do that, but on an iPhone, you don't necessarily have to do that. Now, the phone is powered down, and I'm going to remove the SIM card. Now, keep in mind, this is a dual SIM phone around the world, and it should be unlocked either way, but the second SIM card is usually done with an eSIM, so you'll have to call your carrier to get that one activated. But you can use any GSM SIM from around the world now that it's unlocked. So let's go ahead and put this in, and it may even support other carriers as well. So I've got this SIM card here, put this in like this. Let's boot the phone back up. Now, some of you have said you don't need to hold the button. You know, sometimes it doesn't come on if you don't hold this power button down. So I just tend to do that out of practice because of all the different phones I'm using. So from time to time going from different phones. So you push that button once, a lot of the times it will turn on. Sometimes it won't. So I just hold it down. Now let's go ahead and unlock this. Now we know the phone's unlocked. You can see here we've got a little bit of signal here where I'm at. I just must not have good signal tonight. But let's go to Settings. And you'll see T-Mobile My Account. Now let me turn off Wi-Fi so that we can actually test and make sure that the data works. Now I turned off Wi-Fi. Let's go home. Let's go to Safari and make sure we can go on the internet now that we're off Wi-Fi. So I'm at my website. Let's go to this video and see if we can load this page. And that page comes right up. We should be able to play the video. And there we go. So it's working, no problem, and we're good to go. It's unlocked permanently. It will never relock, and that's all there is to it. So let me know if you have any other questions or comments in the comments below. I'll leave a link to the unlocking company in the description below, and if you have any other questions, let me know in the comments as well. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.